Hello children, I am here with your online virtual class video for subject English class LKG. The topic covered in this video: new words, wash, drink and help, introduction of letters G and O, tricky words you and your, and draw pictures. Let's start. The new words: wash, drink and help. Wash. Wash your hands properly. Do you help your father in washing the car? Wash means dhona. Drink. Pina. You should drink plenty of water. I like to drink fruit juices. Help. Help yani madad. You should help the needy people. I help my mother in tidying up the things in the room. Now, introduction of alphabet. Letter G. G, capital G, small g. Sound of G, G, G. G, G, glasses. G, G, gift. G, G, goat. G, G, gun. G, G, grapes. G, J, giraffe. Why it sound J? Because with G, if I, E, Y comes, the sound change into J. Giraffe. These are some words from the picture dictionary. G, G, grasshopper. G, G, gorilla. G, G, grapes. G, G, glass. G, G, goose. Goose is a bird. It's similar like duck, but duck is short and stout. Goose is little bit tall. Here are some more words with letter G. Flower name, golden moss. Vegetable, garlic. Fruit, guava. Object, gold. Animal, gorilla. City name, Gandhinagar, that is the capital of Gujarat. And country name, Germany. Bird name, goose. Now let's do coloring in the block of letter G. This is the block of letter G. In this you will do coloring. This is capital G. And this is small g. 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 So you will fill it with color, and while coloring you will recall the words G, G, grapes. G, G, gun. G, G, gorilla. This way you will finish the coloring in the spiral book, page number 14. This way you will finish the coloring. Now let's do writing of capital G in English workbook. Page number 14. Start from the red line. Make a curve. Make a slipping line and then come back. Again curve. Make a capital C. Go up, short slipping line and come back, standing line. Capital G. C. Go up, slipping line and come back. This is capital G. So this way you will finish capital G in English workbook. Now let's write small g in English workbook. Page number 15. For small g, you will start from the blue line. Make a curve. Go up. Come down straight and make a curve. Again, curve, go up, come down straight, touching the red line, make a curve. Small g. Curve, go up, come down and make a curve. Small g. This way finish the small g in English workbook. Now let us write capital G and small g in E1 notebook. For capital G, start from the red line, make a curve. Go up, make a short slipping line and come down straight. Capital G. Again, curve, go up, make a small slipping line and come down straight. Capital G. For small g, start with the blue line, make a curve, go up, come down straight and make a curve. Small g. Curve within the blue line, go up, come down straight and curve. Small g. Now introduction of letter O. Capital O, small o. O, oil, oyster, ox, origami, octagon, ocean, oval, olive, octopus, onion, oats, owl, oven. These are the words from the picture dictionary. Octopus, ostrich, ointment, orchid, oil. Now let us do coloring in the block of letter O, capital O and small o. So this is capital O, and this is small o. So you will do coloring in both the blocks. While coloring, you will recall the words with letter O. So this way you will finish the coloring in capital and small O, sound of O, O. Now let's write capital O in English workbook, page number 30. Start from the red line and make a circle. You will make a circle. O is like a circle, not oval. O. 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 Orange. O. Ox. O. Oil. So this is capital O. Now let's write small o in English workbook, page number 31. Small o you will make within the blue line, small circle within the blue line, O. Owl. Oven. Oyster. Origami. So this way you will write small o in English work. Now let us see more words with letter O. Flower name orchid, vegetable name onion, fruit orange, object oven, animal name otter, city name Ooty, country name Oman, and bird name is ostrich. Now let's write letter O in E1 notebook. Capital O, start from red line. Make a circle. O. Ostrich. Oven. Now let's write small o. Small o within the blue line. You will make the circle. This is small o. Capital O, small o in E1 notebook. That's all with the letters G and O. Now let's do draw pictures. We will draw picture for letter P, that is pen. You will draw picture of pen. This is pen. pen. Now for letter N, net. Net. Make slanting line, then a sleeping line on the red line, another sleeping line, then make slanting lines inside the triangle like this to give a look of net. And net. C cap. For cap, make a semicircle and a curl. Cap. C cap. Now it's kite. Kite. So this is a kite, picture of kite. Pen, and net. C cap. Kite. So this way you will draw picture in E1 notebook. Last but not the least is the tricky words you and your. You. Up. Who are you? Do you like to play with me? Your. Aapka. What is your name? Your sister is my friend. So this way you can use tricky words in your sentences. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.